Let's talk about quadratic equations. If you've ever wondered what those curvy parabolas in math class are all about, you're in the right place. They might look intimidating at first, but once you understand the basics, they're surprisingly manageable. Today we'll break down what they are, how they're structured, and how to solve them. So what exactly is a quadratic equation? Simply put, it's any equation where the highest power of the variable is 2. That squared term is what makes it quadratic. The standard form looks like this: ax squared plus bx plus c equals 0. Here, a, b, and c are just numbers, and a can't be 0 because then you'd lose that crucial squared term. Now let's explore the three main methods for solving these equations. The first is factoring, which works when the equation breaks down nicely into two binomials. The second is the quadratic formula, your reliable backup that works for any quadratic equation. The third is completing the square, which transforms the equation into a perfect square trinomial. Let's focus on factoring first, since it's often the quickest method. You're looking for two numbers that multiply to give you c and add up to give you b. Once you've factored the equation, you set each factor equal to 0 and solve. This works because if two things multiply to 0, at least one of them must be 0. The quadratic formula is your mathematical Swiss Army knife. It's x equals negative b plus or minus the square root of b squared minus 4ac, all divided by 2a. Memorize it and you'll never be stuck. Just substitute your values for a, b, and c and calculate. The plus or minus means you'll typically get two solutions. Completing the square is the third method. You rearrange the equation, add a special value to both sides to create a perfect square, then take the square root. It's more involved than factoring, but it gives you deeper insight into quadratic equations.